Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you. Barbecue time, baby. It is nearly summer and everyone out there likes barbecue, isn't it? Yes, it is. So, let's start the barbecue. Cattle grill, for example. Yeah, fire up. And then it's ready for this awesome device here. This appliance makes our barbecue much easier because these are BBQ skewers. Oh, 10 of them with nylon bag, and they are 43 centimeters long with a flat stainless steel barbecue skewers. Avoid rusting, dishwasher label, silicone oil brush included. Yeah, for outdoor garden as well, or indoor barbecue. Of course, that's possible too. As you like, you can use it where you like and when you like, because they are 24/7 open if you like. The material is really awesome. It comes with stainless steel. Kebab skewers are made of 100 of stainless steel, which not only prevents rust but also maintains the shine of the surface. Oh, we can clean them with water before and after use. And if you have a dishwasher, oh, that's so nice because it's so easy to use that with it. You can get them into the dishwasher, job's done. Dry them with a cloth and store the dry storage environment until you're going next time to have a little awesome delicious barbecue, baby. Oh yeah, the size of them are really big. That is a big one. Oh yeah. The grill skewers stainless steel flat with 33 centimeters of length. This is really awesome. Those are not so tiny little things, they are really big and large. 0.7 centimeters wide and the thickness of 0.2 centimeters. So we can grill more food at the same time, including ribs, beef, pork, chicken, sausage, vegetables, bread, as we like. We enjoy the delicious food and give our family and friends a more pleasant barbecue time. And it's so easy to use. Only stick the goods onto it, and after you stick them onto these skewers, they're ready, and you do not have to rotate and grill them from each side once. No, you can use it by turning one time around and you will grill all of them in one strike. That's I like really much. The length of the clip's handle is 9.5 centimeter. It is easy to hold and effectively prevents from burning our hands. Compared to the round kebab grill, flat stainless steel skewers, more stable devices can be easily rotated and the grill food evenly. Compared to wooden skewers, the stainless steel skewers are greener, more reusable, and not bend or deform. They're really stable. That's awesome, I think. Because if you have wooden stuff, this will burn inside the barbecue grill. Okay, but in this case, no, that's stainless steel. It is so hard and so reliable, though that will live a long span of lifetime. Yeah, awesome. And there are more. A useful gift is included: a nylon fabric bag plus silicone oil brush. The oil brush is awesome to make a barbecue sausage sauce on the sausage, for example, and it makes you can get a little bit oil on your beef, for example, or your barbecue equipment as well. That's awesome. Yeah, nice brush is included, baby. And they offer us a portable Velcro bag made of 100% nylon, which is practical, wear resistant, and easy to store. We can hang the cloth bag on the wall of our kitchen, for example. And our devices, our skewers, are ready if our barbecue grill is ready too. These are the less door flat stainless steel barbecue skewers, 43 centimeters long barbecue skewers. This allowing us to grill more food at one time. Oh, I tried it with pork, with chicken, with sausage, with vegetables, and bread as you like. You can do that with ribs too. It allows us to pleasurably enjoy delicious food and brings a good time, a good barbecue time to us all at home. We can please our barbecue parties with the Last Doy Premium Barbecue Skewers. We have a clip handle. This is nearly burn proof. It's easy to hold, easy to use, and easy to rotate. And it's sharp and safe. That's really sharp. It's super sharp. Point and safe edges. And it's easy to store because of the portable and thick nylon bag. And then, of course, preventive corrosion. Stainless steel prevents the corrosion, prevents for rust. That means, yeah, stainless steel is awesome. Much better than the wooden things out there. The size is 44 to 12 to 3 centimeters. Okay? The package. The product is 43 to 0.7 to 0.2 centimeters. The skewer handle size is 9.5 centimeters. And the weight is 0.65 kilogram. The materials, the skewers, are made from 100% of stainless steel. It's a porter fabric bag made of 100% of nylon. And a small grill oil brush made from 100% silicone. And we will get 10 of the metal grill skewers, 1 barbecue silicone oil brush, and portable nylon bag. Since the tips of the grill skewers are very sharp, so please place it not there where children are playing or seniors are having fun. That's really important because they're really sharp. It's only for the professional like us. Yeah, oh baby, because we are barbecue professionals. Everyone is a barbecue professional if he owns a barbecue grill. And this good old skewers. Oh yeah. If you roll meat and vegetables together with the barbecue skewers, please ensure that we do not cut our hands at the pointed ends of the kebab skewer. Since stainless steel material has thermal conductivity, they recommend to wear the grill gloves and start delicious grilling to avoid burns of our hands. Wash the stainless steel barbecue skewers with water before and after use. Then dry it with a cloth and keep a dry storage environment. It effectively prevents rust and retrains the shine of the surface of the stainless steel kebab skewers. And of course, you can make a kebab on it. Yeah, get a kebab onto it and then have fun. Make your own dinner. Oh yeah, with the Last Doy barbecue skewers and with 10 of them. With nylon bag. And these are flat stainless steel barbecue skewers. These are avoided from rusting and dishwasher proof. That's an awesome thing I like really much. Let's have fun with the barbecue time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.